Organize your life with DYMO label printers. Tired of the chaos on your desk, in your pantry, or while shipping packages? A DYMO label printer is the simple, smart solution you need to take control and stay organized. Whether you're managing files, labeling supplies, or handling business logistics, DYMO printers make it effortless to create professional, high-quality labels in seconds. Why choose DYMO? DYMO label printers aren't just printers, they're organization tools. With sleek, compact designs, they fit perfectly in any workspace or home office. Plus, their thermal printing technology means no messy ink cartridges or toner replacements, just clean, precise labels every time. What can you do with a DYMO printer? Office organization, label files, drawers, and supplies for a clutter-free workspace. Shipping made easy. Create shipping labels that are crisp, scannable, and ready to go. Home projects, design custom labels for your pantry, storage bins, or crafts. Barcodes and beyond, add barcodes, logos, or images for professional branding. Simple to set up and use. Getting started is a breeze. Plug in your DYMO printer, load a roll of labels, and download the DYMO software. In just a few clicks, you can create custom designs, choose from pre-made templates, and print with ease. Need symbols or barcodes? The DYMO software has it all. Stay organized, stay ahead. DYMO printers are reliable, cost-effective, and built to simplify your life. No matter your project, they help you save time, reduce stress, and stay on top of everything. Ready to upgrade your organization game? Get a DYMO label printer today and start printing your way to a more streamlined life.